In today's breaking news, MicroStrategy owns a record $9.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, which is insane. And their founder, Michael Saylor, just stated on Cnbc that we are now a Bitcoin development company, which is huge news. In the same way you would see a real estate development company or petroleum development company. But in an even bigger revelation, Michael Saylor stated on CNBC once Bitcoin hit $50,000 that people are finally beginning to realize that there is 10 times as much demand for Bitcoin coming through these ETFs, which is a very bullish announcement.
Bitcoin surged to its highest level in more than 2 years today after it broke past the $50,000 mark. But joining me now to discuss is MicroStrategy's executive chairman and co-founder, Michael Saylor. Michael, it's great to have you back on the show.
You know, I think a lot of this is just indicative of the popularity of Bitcoin as an asset class. It's now the world's most popular investment asset. There's 10 years of pent-up demand. People have been waiting for these ETFs, and finally, mainstream investors are able to access Bitcoin. And I think that's what's driving the surge of capital in the asset class. And initially, there was a rebalancing as people were moving capital between the futures market and the miners and MicroStrategy and the ETFs. But following that rebalancing, I think the assets found its footing, and now people are beginning to realize that there's 10 times as much demand for Bitcoin coming in through these ETFs as there is supply coming from the natural sellers, who are the miners.
As I stated in a video earlier today, CNBC stated that Wall Street ETFs are buying up 12.5 times more Bitcoin per day than the network can produce, increasing the demand and the price because there's a limited supply. This is just a massive sign of the sheer volume that's going to be entering the crypto market in the very near future. Crypto is about to explode to new all-time highs. And that money that flows into Bitcoin will trickle down into the altcoins like Ripple and XRP. Here we can see from Chad the weekly net inflows of new money crypto numbers are in today. And XRP is at $300,000 for the week, up from $100,000 last week, so a 3x. And Bitcoin saw almost 98% of total inflows, which is insane. Ultimately, we are about to see the biggest crypto bull run in our history. And for us early investors, we could potentially see a 20, 30, 50, 100x from our current bags. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, speak good day, and good night.